Just this little
Oh, there's
key
another one too.
fit
It's
up
that one.
this bag.
It's another one,
Look
something
at
like
this.
that one.
This is called an island key, I think.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
I need the. Oh,
So,
let's hear this one too.
and then this is the wrench. This
Yeah,
is the wrench.
Yeah, it's just that
And this
too.
is these two tools put this whole assembling of this bag together.
Let's see.
Let's see. Assembling. You should be talking us through this project so they can put you on the Geek Squad.
I'm really focused about this one, so.
So you gotta tell us the step-by-step process. Mm-hmm.
You and I really don't know about this thing. I'm like just.
You don't know? You're doing a good job. Look at it. It's coming together really nice.
I'm just watching.
From the box to the room.
Oh.
Let's see.
Okay.
Go ahead. And put it together. Oh my gosh. So there you go. Prince, you're good at this. Now you gotta watch it on the channel to see how you did. Oh my gosh. Da! Oh my goodness. This is so amazing. Say hi.
Hello.
Prince, you did a good job. I love it. But
it's looking really nice.
It's really looking really nice. So we gotta push it up. And of course we gotta pick up all of this stuff.
Yeah.
Just give me 1 second. This is so cool, guys. And Prince put this all together. Miss Bailey is having a good sleep tonight. We just switched out this amazing bed and put another amazing bed. See? My room is all put together. In the rain. Ouch. The rain is falling, Jonathan.
Taste another one.